Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday. We're having a really good Sunday. Of course, you guys can see the entire market is up once again. BTC is pushing up $37,000, which is great to see. So, the momentum seems to be back, but of course, we're in a weekend, and on the weekends, we do tend to see manipulation across the board. But you know what time it is. We're going to be taking a close look at Kaspa because Kaspa has done something quite interesting and something that I've been talking about for quite some time, and a lot of people don't really realize as to what really is happening. So let's waste no more time and give you guys this daily analysis on Kaspa. So if we're looking at it on the daily time frame, it's up 3.2%. That's how far it's up right now on the daily time frame. The price is currently sitting at 14.4 cents, and it's also up 1.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, it's currently sitting at $3.1 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 124.3 million. Not bad at all. So basically what happened today is, we did break out towards a new all-time high, but at the same time, we've seen something very, very interesting play out, which I will get into right now. Before I pull out the charts, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, let's pay attention to BTC first and foremost because this is the king of the markets. You guys can see Bitcoin is forming a beautiful green candle, and it's not a surprise to me because you guys can see, we were pretty much holding the momentum. In order for us to analyze the momentum, we were seeing the price continuously close above the 36,200 support line, which is a really, really important support. And you can see today on November 19th, we're seeing a massive wick towards the upside. Hopefully, this does not tend to be a fake out because you guys know over the past 2 days we saw two big fake outs, and those were mainly due to manipulation. But let's see what happens. But as of now, the market is picking up due to this factor, and this is great to see. But now let's shift our focus towards the price of Kaspa because Kaspa has done something really, really interesting. So if you guys watched my video yesterday, you guys know I discussed in that video that there is a strong chance that we could be waking up to a new all-time high, and that is what happened. We saw the price push back above this resistance, which was at that 14.8 cents. We saw the price of Kaspa go up to 15.5 cents, very, very close to 16 cents, but never managed to get to that point. But look what happened. So let's of course now put the Fibonacci retracement level to the newer all-time highs. There we are, and this is what I want you guys to be taking a look at. So right now, of course, we're in an upwards trajectory, but look at this massive wick towards the downside here. Let's bring it the measuring tool. So, from the all-time high, we saw a wick all the way down to 13.3 cents, which is a 14% pullback. But these types of wicks don't last long, as I've mentioned to you guys before. You guys can see we've bought back up very quickly from that range. So if I were to bring out the measuring tool, let's say you got lucky and picked some up around this level, you are up right now about 8.73%. But this is something I was discussing on my channel for quite some time, that manipulation is increasing. We're about to see more manipulation than ever because people tend to see rollbits coming along and listing Kaspa on their platform as well as Binance futures. People don't tend to understand. People tend to have emotions against their thoughts. Guys, you guys need to realize the big boys are in and manipulation will occur. And this right here, look at this. This is an example. This is a perfect example because anyone that was long thinking that this is about to continue towards 16 to 17 cents, they've all been shaken out. We might tend to see those prices actually come true, but as far as leverage is concerned, anyone that probably picked up along later on is wrecked unless they had a really, really sharp stop loss in place, but they are wrecked. And this is why I continuously said Binance futures listed Kaspa due to that factor. Guess how much money these guys are printing right now with Kaspa listing? It's the hottest coin in the cryptocurrency market, the most talked about, not only within the crypto space, but also outside of crypto, I've seen a lot of new people first time coming into the markets actually talking about Kaspa, asking how you can purchase this XYZ. So it really makes you understand how hyped this project is, and all these massive exchanges want to make big bucks, and manipulation will occur. Look at this. This is a perfect example. So anyone that's saying, oh, my longs are printing this and that, good on you. I'm not hating on anything, but I would suggest to stay away, because I think this type of manipulation will start occurring more than you realize. So these are some factors you definitely need to keep in mind. So what exactly is next? As of now, we're seeing the price holding really strong above almost the previous all-time highs. That is where we're being supported by, as the price does consolidate a little bit after that massive wick towards the downside. But when are we going to break out? That's the question that a lot of people might have. So BTC has momentum right now, which is a positive sign. In order for us to hit a 16 cents Kaspa, that's a 10.9, so 11% move from the current price levels, which we could see happening even later today, or potentially early morning. We could see a 16 cents Kaspa. I think it still has momentum. Just because this wick occurred does not mean we are just over, it's done, and it's about to start seeing retracements. But we're not going to see those explosive moves as fast, in my opinion, because of the likes of Binance Futures and Rollbit. Because guys, let's really understand that these people were not only the spot holders. There's people that are leverage trading. If it goes to 16 cents, there will be probably massive amounts of people that will close their positions that have longs. And speaking about leverage trading, some people are saying, oh, I got in early and I'm up like 1,000 or 2,000%. If you got in early and you got lucky, of course that makes sense, right? But anyone that's getting in late, you're getting wrecked. Even if you got in early, I would be locking my profits in. But again, at the end of the day, it works for everyone else in their own way. But basically what we're seeing is we're still holding within the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, very, very close to the all-time highs. And I think we could see the price of Kaspa pushing up to 16 cents in the next few hours ahead of us. But play it very, very cautiously. Let me know down below what you guys think. Overall, people are thinking that Kaspa can reach 20 to 30 cents before the year comes to an end. But let's see. We need to take it one step at a time. I've said this before in my update that I could see it pushing up to that top 20 spot. I think Kaspa has that momentum for itself right now, because guys, let's face it. Let's actually face it. We're in the top 27th spot with a $3.1 billion market cap. It does not need a lot of push for it to get to that level. It just needs maybe 2 or 3 more big exchanges possibly coming in and listing. And I think this can push back towards the upside. And yes, this is short squeeze occurring in front of our eyes. You guys need to go look up where the short squeeze is, because the amount of shorts that have been piling up for the past 1 month have been completely getting wrecked. But now, like I said, that the big boys are in the markets now for Kaspa, there will be more manipulation. There will be more wicks like these that will occur. So if you are leverage trading, I would suggest, see, I can't even speak. I would suggest you not to do that. Just spot trade. But let me know down below what you guys think. Overall, we're still in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If we're able to close the day about 1 hour away for the daily close to happen, if we're able to close in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I'm very confident we're about to see a 16 plus cents Kaspa in the next few hours ahead of us. But of course, I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Thank you so much for all your support. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and of course, share some gems with me in the comments. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.